Hey guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm playing around with these bulb pins, or garment pins they're sometimes called. I received this awesome variety set from bbcrafts.com. I'll link them down below. But this comes in just a huge assortment of colors. As many as you can think of. There's like 3 shades of pink. There's all different metallic ones in here. So anyway, I was just making little dangles that I can add to my tiered tray so I can hang them off of corners and edges and tabs when I'm working on my carousel projects this coming month. So I took my ball pins, I took out my paper pad, and then I took out a couple of different bead trays that I just organized, and they were amazing to work with. So I basically flipped to a page. So I wanted to use this page as my inspiration. And I created this one. So I took the gold bulb pin. I took a green little butterfly charm I have. I took this tiny little floral dangle, like little floral tassel. And I had gotten this from Joann's. And then I added some gold seed beads. And look how cute that turned out. So it's just a tiny little, you know, embellishment. And it just matches perfectly with this page. You know, some other ones that I did, let me just go to this page. This one has yellows and pinks and whites. So again, I just took a gold garment pin and I added 5 of the heishi beads to it. And it looks like that. Just something simple and cute that's just added texture to any project that you're working on. This kite page, I did several from this one. I did this orange garment pin or bulb pin with a little rainbow charm on it, and then added some yellow and pink seed beads. So it all coordinates there. I also did this one to match this page. So I have some turquoise and yellow seed beads. I have this little like snow cone type charm, and then this little heart bead. So that looks cute with this page. This I coordinated with this page. Since this is so colorful, I use this for a lot. So I'm using a pink garment pin. I'm using pink and kind of a light peachy colored seed bead, and then just this bicycle charm. This I got in the button section at Joann's. It comes in a 4-pack. They're super cute. And I just looped that through the bike spoke. So that is what that one looks like. Let's see. Oh, this one also I did for this page. This is a little hot air balloon charm. This is from AliExpress. I put this on the white bulb pin with the pink seed beads. I thought that one looked cute. This page right here, I did a couple different varieties for this one. This is just gold with a light aqua colored floral tassel there. This I just pulled in from this page, as well as this one, or even this one. It's gold. It's the gold bulb pin, and then it's got the lighter aqua seed beads and then the darker floral tassel on it. So I thought that was cute. Also, I just pulled in like a white and a light and dark aqua here on a gold seed bead, just with the or not seed bead, a gold bulb pin with the heishi beads. I thought that one looked cute. What else? This page was an inspiration for these two. Just pulling in different colors on the white. So I just used 2 different shades of pink, a aqua and a yellow. Here I just used a light pink, yellow, and aqua and white. So those 2. These I just kept fairly simple. More for like this page is just it's just a gold and pink tassel on the gold bulb pin. Left it kind of plain. And then this one is just a light pink, and then I pulled in some clear seed beads as well as some gold seed beads. So these took me about 10 minutes to pull together, and I think they're going to be a super cute addition to any of the projects that I'm working on. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.